Okay, so Wise have just launched their free multi-currency account and card in the Philippines. So if you're a Filipino or a resident, you can now spend money internationally with great exchange rates and without paying high fixed fees. And if you're a freelancer, foreign worker, or just someone that likes to go on holiday, then pay attention because this account is an absolute game changer, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. So obviously I don't know who you bank with or how you send and receive your money, but I'm going to guess that you probably don't get the best rate. I know this because 75% of Filipinos actually dislike international payments, and as many as 79% don't even realize they're being charged hidden fees. So knowing all of this, I'm pretty sure that this card will be great for you and will save you money. And if you're already convinced and you want to get one, then please consider clicking the link in the description box below. That's an affiliate link, so by using it, you'll be supporting myself and the channel. So one of the biggest benefits of Wise are their exchange rates. They only use the mid-market. Basically, this is the exchange rate that banks use and the one you'll see on Google or Monito.com. It's fair and also free of hidden fees. So if you're on holiday and you spend money in a foreign currency with this card, Wise will then exchange your money without applying any markup or hidden fee. And those same exchange rates also apply when you withdraw or send money internationally. Another huge benefit is that you can receive money internationally for free. That's because you get local account details for these 18 currencies. So let's say you work for a company, I don't know, in the United States, you could give them your USD bank account details and they can pay you in dollars. Then you can exchange it to the Filipino peso with Wise and you won't lose out on money because your employer uses a bank with a bad rate. Also, if your employer or friend or family are using Wise, you can receive money for free via Wise tag or an email address. And with more and more people now waking up and getting a Wise account, it's very likely that this method will be available to you. You can also hold money in over 40 currencies with no fees or minimum balance. So for example, I don't know, you could exchange pesos to the Chinese yuan and then hold them in the account so they're ready to spend if you ever visited China. And if you ever want to move money from your Wise account, you can do this easily and you could move it to a Filipino bank account or an e-wallet such as GCash. So let's say you receive money in a foreign currency. You could then exchange it to pesos and transfer it out to your GCash wallet. But most importantly, every time you do that or you convert money to another currency, you'll see the exact exchange rate and fees. It'll look something like this, and it's all very transparent and easy to understand. And this brings us nicely onto fees. With Wise, there really aren't many. When you exchange money or send it, there's a very small fee which starts at 0.33%. So let's say you go to spend money in euros, maybe you're on holiday in like Spain. Wise right now would only charge you 0.37% of the transaction. And if we change that to pounds, it goes up to 0.41%, and this fee usually increases or decreases depending on the currency and how volatile it might be. For example, at the time of making this video, the Vietnamese dong is 0.86%. But please bear in mind though, that this is variable, so these percentages may change. That's pretty much it. That's the main fee. And it doesn't typically go much beyond 1%. And compared to a traditional bank, which can charge like 5 to 10%, that's pretty damn good. And when it comes to withdrawing money, you get 2 free withdrawals per month. After that, you'll pay a 30 PHP fixed fee, and you can withdraw up to 12,000 PHP for free. But once you go over that amount, you'll pay a fee of 1% of the withdrawal amount, and that's on top of the fixed fee. So withdrawing is probably one of the more costly things about this account, and it's probably wise, no pun intended, to limit the number of withdrawals you make. Other than that, it's 369 PHP to get your card. There's a 2% fee for topping up e-wallets, and there are fees for USD, Wire, and CAD Swift payments, and also a small fee for replacing your debit card if it hasn't expired. And of course, there's no fee for opening the account or for maintaining it. And besides the ATM withdrawal fees, there really aren't any disadvantages to using the Wise debit card. Obviously, this isn't a credit card, it's prepaid, so to pay for things, you'll need to have enough funds in your account. And you can just top up inside the app by selecting add money, choosing the currency you want to deposit, the total amount, and the payment method, although this is arguably a downside. Right now, for anyone in the Philippines, there aren't many ways of topping up. Your options are either receiving money from someone else or through your local debit or credit card with your bank. But Wise have said that they'll be adding more options, such as sending money from e-wallets. Otherwise, I find this card very difficult to criticize. Wise also has very responsive customer service, at least in my experience. And if you're registered, you can access help via your account by tapping your profile, scrolling down to help, and then contact us. You can even request a callback if you'd like to speak to someone on the phone. I just want to go over some frequently asked questions. So people often ask this one. Well, the answer is yes. So let's say you want to, I don't know, move to the US or the UK or I don't know, somewhere like Saudi Arabia. Maybe you're going there to work. You could still do that and get all the benefits of the Wise card and account. In fact, it's designed for those types of people because of its great exchange rates and local account details. You can basically go to a foreign country and as soon as you arrive, have an online account that you can use to spend or receive money cheaply and just like a local. Now, the account does come with certain spending limits that you can check both online and inside your app. Basically, you can spend 2 million PHP per month and withdraw up to 275,000. And if your card was issued in the Philippines, then you can't spend more than 480,000 in a single transaction. So let me know if you have any further questions. I'm here to help. And please do use the link in the description box if you want to get yourself this Wise card. Not this one specifically, but a Wise card. I promise you won't regret it. And if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Thank you and goodbye, or should I say, salamat at paalam. Bye.